wanted us to learn, and I and Shaylee from a 6th period chemistry have learned to a high C level the following concepts from the first 11 chapters of our chemistry book. This is not an inclusive list, but my selection of concepts from each chapter that I will remember.
And I, Nate, will read the same thing she did. Mr. R wanted us to learn, and I, Nate, from his 6th period chemistry, have learned to a somewhat of a C level the following concepts from the first 11 chapters of our chemistry book. This is not an inclusive list, but my selection of concepts from each chapter that I will remember.
Chapter 1. I learned that chemistry affects all aspects of life.
Chapter 1. I learned that chemistry affects all aspects of life and is used to explain the natural world.
Chapter 2. Everything is made up of matter, and there are 3 states of matter.
I learned that the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas.
Chapter 3. The 5 SI units of measurement are commonly used by chemists.
And I learned in Chapter 3 that these 5 units of measure are meter, kilo, Kelvin, seconds, and mole.
Chapter 4. Everything is made up of atoms and the different theories of how or what they look like.
Chapter 5. I learned that the nucleus runs the atom and is made up of protons and neutrons.
Chapter 6. Elements are made up of the periodic table and are arranged by the increasing atomic number.
Chapter 7. I learned that atoms bond by sharing valence electrons and ionic compound can conduct an electric current when melted or dissolved in water.
Chapter 8. Molecular formulas. I learned about molecular formulas, covalent bonds, and electron configurations.
Chapter 9. I learned, and I will probably never forget, about anions and compounds and how they form.
Chapter 10. I learned about Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power, and how to measure matter.
Chapter 11. I learned how to balance chemicals in the 5 different reactions. And the 5 different reactions are combinations, decompositions, combustion, single replacement, and double replacement.
Amen.
Yay!
Smile.